Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, and we're back. Okay. Now it's time for us to write the interrogative sentence. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do it right now? Go, Nathan. Or are you done writing?
Done writing? No, I'm not.
Oh, not
I
yet.
did not
Oh,
write even a bit. Thanks, you guys. Okay,
go, Nathan.
what's the sentence about? Or I can write like anything that's
Uh,
just an interrogative.
oh, that's right. Interrogative. Go.
So anything, I could write anything, but that's a interrogative sentence. No, no, like
Why?
question. Nothing that I copy or
Okay. Just make a
uh,
question.
it's about
Just make a
unicorn.
question about unicorns.
Okay.
Okay.
Um,
What
let me see.
question?
Let me check what I have a question about the
Mm,
unicorns. Hmm, I got one. Wait. Another one.
What do you want to ask about unicorns?
Unicorns stronger than dinosaurs.
Okay, you can write that down. Go
Oh,
on. This is already a question. So
I
you
was saying
jump.
like never mind because it's also about
Uh,
dinosaurs.
uh, 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 uh. Mm-hmm. Go, Nathan. I believe in you. You can do that. Go.
But Nanai, there's a last place. This is a
Finish? Finish?
No, 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 I'm not finished.
Oh.
And then the place.
Yes. Is that a very long question?
So I sing, not good.
Okay. Be
Ah,
careful with the spelling, okay?
sing. Tumongo.
Be careful with the spelling.
Okay.
Be careful with the spelling. Spelling.
And I, if I could
Done?
shout,
Okay.
Lakers. What was that one game ever for? For other sports.
Okay, go
You cannot
Nathan.
use
You
it
can
for
ask
flushing away.
teacher. Nathan, you can
Yes.
ask me if you have question.
Okay.
Don't be shy to ask the question, the teacher.
Done.
Done. Okay, that's fast. Okay. All right. R. Okay, wait. What's the first one? R.
Are unicorns stronger than dinosaurs?
Are unicorns stronger than dinosaurs? How do you spell dinosaurs?
I think I spelled it correctly. D I
How do
N O S A U. I got it. I
Okay,
I got it
Dinosaur.
already. I got it. I got it.
You just missed, I think, one letter.
R. Done. Now it's fixed.
All right, dinosaurs. Are unicorns stronger than dinosaurs? Okay, the
But
first letter
in a real
always,
life scenario, what would you think would win?
I
Unicorns or
think the
dinosaurs?
dinosaur. I think the unicorn because unicorns can fly.
No, those are Pegasus, not unicorns.
Sorry, I'm wrong.
It's
Are they the same? I think they're the same.
No, they're
They
not
have
the
like,
same. The
oh,
Pegasus
okay.
are the ones that could fly, and I think the Pegasus are
Ah,
mostly like
all
blue.
right. But I think the one is gonna be the winner is the dinosaur.
Why? Just asking.
But unicorns can run fast too. And the
Well,
dinosaurs don't like where the dinosaur would just
what about the
where.
raptors? They hunted back. What about there's just a
They're just
unicorn?
like
There's a
there.
unicorn that's running. That's running.
Uh,
The raptors like I know, and they just group on it and just sucking the unicorn and just eat it. But what about it? Also, what about the animal that literally eats voices for lunch? That little
oh,
boy, dinosaur that
that
eats
is so
voices, that
that's
prehistoric
so
animal,
scary.
that terror
Um,
bird, one of the terror birds that eats voices in the
I don't know.
whole time. What about the terror bird? They eat voices.
Okay. So there we go.
I mean,
Always write the first letter in a capital letter. Okay? Can you check that out? Did you write it capital letter?
mm, mm, mm,
The
mm.
first letter?
Okay. No.
Okay. It should
No,
be in a
no, no.
capital A or a big A.
I
Okay?
forgot. You know, that's I forgot. Oh my god. Why does my voice shake?
All right. Better. And where's your question mark? Okay, there. Okay. Do you have like a marker or something? Maybe you
Yeah.
can write on a mic with a marker so the
I
teacher can
can
see it
only
clearly.
write with a marker on the whiteboard because
Yeah,
on the
yeah, yeah. Maybe
pencil
that's
I
better because
don't
the pencil is so thin and I can't
color.
really see
So,
it well. Okay, thank you. Now we're down to your second
Well,
question about the unicorn.
where do I write? Where do I write? Yeah, okay.
Okay, the second
Right.
question
What's the second question?
about the unicorn. What do you want to
Oh,
ask with the unicorn?
what do I want to ask about a unicorn?
How do unicorns eat? What do unicorns eat? Where do they sleep? Those kind of things. Uh,
I yeah, uh, uh,
mm,
I think I got one. Oh.
mm, okay. You got one? Okay.
One.
Mm, almost done?
I'm done.
Now you're done. Okay. All right. Who would win? 1,000 unicorns or
Yeah.
Monster Zero? What do you mean Monster Zero? Like zero monster?
Uh, no, not Monster Zero. The meaning by Monster Zero, just type up Monster Zero. You'll forget.
Ah,
Or you
I,
can say, or you can write down on Google King Ghidorah or Monster Zero. Both of those mean King Ghidorah. Or Monster Zero.
Monster Zero. I'm not familiar with Monster Zero.
Just do
Okay.
Monster Zero.
I'm gonna search it.
Okay,
Ooh.
my favorite head is Kevin, by the way.
Does
Okay.
it have like 3 heads?
Yes, okay, let me see. Can I see it?
Wanna see
How
it?
does it? I just want to see Monster Zero, but, uh,
This one?
wait. Yep, there Monster Zero is.
Oh,
They'll use Go
oh.
on
And then
the
it spits
pictures. Go on.
fire, right?
No,
Ah, it
it's
doesn't spit
electric.
fire?
It's literally electric. Okay, it's electric. But go
Okay.
on one of the pictures of the monster. No, right. But
All right.
the one on the right over here, and
Mm-hmm.
is the one on over there was named Kevin. I forgot the
Mm-hmm.
one, but I think the other one is named Ichi. And
Mm-hmm. It's Godzilla. Do you know Godzilla?
yes, I know him.
Mm.
And on the other one, named is in the I think on the side on the left,
Uh-huh.
he
Mm-hmm.
loves caffeine, and Kevin loves
Oh,
chocolate.
caffeine. Okay.
Yeah,
I see. All
they're
right.
very
Let's
sturdy.
see
So
your question
they
first.
tell their
Let's
mother to take them home to
okay.
the hometown.
That's good to hear, Nathan. Can I see your question first and let's check it? Okay. Well, who would win? You forgot 1,000 unicorns or a Monster Zero? Okay. You just forget the the A. 1,000 unicorns or a Monster Zero.
I bet Monster Zero or King Ghidorah.
King
My
Ghidorah.
bet is
You
what?
know? Okay. Now, I see your
I
dog wagging its tail. All right. Now
have
we're down to your third question. Okay, last question about unicorns.
Yeah.
Why are okay, go go go.
Let me
Like
think
something
of one.
about the unicorn, not about like with other things.
Kaiju unicorn.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
Just try to think about the unicorns. What do you wanna ask about the unicorns?
hmm. Thinking.
Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Ooh, I got one. I
Mm-hmm.
are unicorns? What is it? Are unicorns?
Hmm.
Um,
Dawn? Okay. Are unicorns poisonous? Okay, how do we spell the word poisonous? Okay, when we say poisonous, we spelled it like
done.
P-O. Okay, write it down. Poisonous. Okay, poiso. Poiso. It's not A. Poiso. Poiso.
Poisonous.
S-O. Yeah, S-O, not S-A.
No, God, this is poison.
It's
I thought it was poison.
poiso.
Poisonous.
Poiso.
Poison.
Okay.
Okay. I thought poisonous.
Poisonous.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why does
Are
poisonous
unicorns
about
poisonous?
there?
Okay. How about dinosaurs? Are dinosaurs poisonous?
Some are.
Some are.
Some
That's
are.
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also,
Perfect.
poisonous reminds me of.
Mm-hmm.
Remind me of. Wait. What do you know? What's the difference between poison and toxic?
What's the difference? Can you tell me?
So poison, I think it's for defense. I
Hmm.
think poison is for defense, and toxic is for hunting. I may mix that up. I probably mixed it up. I don't know.
Okay. So actually, toxics or toxins are substances they created by plants and animals that are poisonous to humans, right? Some
And
are like an animals, toxic, and
that was
anything.
toxic.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Want to
Next
hear?
one. Yes?
Want to hear a joke?
What?
Want to hear a joke?
What is it?
Okay. Why does two? I mean, 10 plus 10 equals equals the same as 11 plus 11?
Really? How come?
Because 10 plus 10 equals 20, and 11 plus 11 equals 22. 22, get it?
Ah,
22.
there are
22. And
two
11 plus
20s.
11 actually means 22. 22.
Oh, 220. Oh, I'm
And
gonna
this is
share
my
that.
own joke.
I'm gonna share that to my friends. Okay, I'm gonna
Okay.
share that to my friends. Okay, now here we go. What are the types of sentences again? We have the First one, declarative.
First one, declarative.
Second,
Imperative.
And the third one is
Imperative.
interrogative.
Interrogative.
Okay, what do you think is the fourth sentence?
Interrogative.
Okay, after the interrogative.
Oh, why is the match?
Where's that? That's with my previous class. And the next one is the
What does previous? Now, what does previous mean?
sentence. Okay, what is the fourth one? Exclamatory sentence. What do you mean? What do you mean by exclamatory sentence? It shows strong feelings.
Strong feelings.
Yeah, that's
For
right.
example, like I want a toy back. Now get what?
Strong feelings. Okay.
Excuse me, I'm gonna get some water.
Okay. Okay. Now exclamatory, like giving us a strong feeling, strong emotions, like your fear, you're excited, or you're surprised. And it always ends with an exclamation mark. Okay. Now choose which of these three sentences is an example of an exclamatory sentence. Go, Nathan.
I can't believe you did that.
Oh, that's the answer, right? Good job.
Yeah.
I can't believe you should read it with the strong feelings. Can you say it again?
I can't believe you did that.
That's the feeling. Good
And also
job.
by the go, I have to do this. And by the go, that's screaming on the picture. I have to do it in high pitched.
Really? Wow. Okay. So there you go. I can't believe you did that, Nathan. You should always hand with the strong.
I can't believe that once in Philippines I broke the chandelier.
What?
What? I was like a few years old, okay? I was like a month old, I think.
A month old.
How old
Okay.
I?
All right, Nathan. Oh, it's already time. Okay, so we're gonna continue this next week, okay? So please do not forget the types of sentences we learned. Okay, Nathan? Thank you so much, Nathan. And you have a good night. Bye.
Bye.